We are not the first organization to produce intercultural competency training. Most others who have done so have used a skill-oriented framework, based on the awareness that information alone will not help people become more interculturally competent. Something needs to be expressed behaviorally, and the best way to approach behavior is as a skill. We agree that new skills, or sharpening existing ones, represent part of what is needed. Some organizations have gone further and added knowledge and attitude components to their training. Not knowledge as facts, but knowledge as conceptual understanding. Not attitude as, I feel okay about XYZ, but attitude as perspective. We believe that the essential components of knowledge, attitudes, and behavior, skills, must all be addressed. But how? Usually they are presented as separate categories, which can be helpful in the sense of grouping items which are similar. The problem is it allows individual items to be treated in isolation. For example, something like conflict resolution is often listed as a necessary intercultural skill. Besides being more of an uber skill made up of multiple targetable sub-skills, it also suggests that someone could have that skill without the right supporting attitudes, and without a firm grasp on a set of sophisticated concepts. Our solution is to integrate knowledge, attitudes, and behavior, skills, into a small set of fundamental propositions. Propositions that we take to be self-evident. Statements that reflect what is most crucial in creating intercultural environments that work. To use a sports analogy, an area to which the idea of skills is frequently applied, being able to throw a baseball 98 miles an hour is a skill. Knowing how to mix that fastball with other pitches, plus the tendencies of the current hitter, is knowledge on which an effective strategy can be based. Being able to throw a fastball effectively with the bases loaded and a good hitter at the plate requires a certain poised and fearless attitude, in addition to the skill and the knowledge. Similarly, to help manage an emerging incident based on intercultural misunderstanding, an individual would need certain interpersonal skills, but also the cognitive development to see that the emerging negativity is based on culture, and an attitude of caring enough about the experience of others to want to help change things for the better, among many other attributes. There are 20 propositions in all. We hope that will be enough to make statements that have substance, but not so many that a person can't wrap their arms easily around the set as a whole. Over half of them are foundational first principles, as universally applicable as possible. The remaining propositions focus on two specific situations, points on the spectrum of problems, propositions involving an emerging problem, and propositions involving full-blown critical incidents.